what's on, guys? It is Rifki here. So, sadly, I recorded Five Nights at Freddy's, but my recorder went stupid and didn't want to record the videos, the game's sound, volume stuff. I don't know. But you can still hear me commentate, you guys, and also enjoy the video. Hello and what's on, guys? It is Rifki here. Today we are playing Five Nights at Freddy's, which means it is scary. So let's go. Grand reopening. Vintage pizzeria given new life. Come be a part of the new face. I don't need a new face. I don't think so. Okay, 12 a.m. First night. Right? Oh god, what's this? Right, of course, a call. Press and hold CTRL to use flashlight. Oh, okay, this is kind of interesting. Gonna remove this pillow here. Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright. Where's the phone actually? I don't see the phone. Oh, vent. Cool. Service. Oh, God. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Oh, this is creepy. What's this red thing? Oh. Oh. Okay. Yay, 1 a.m. Oh, we have flashlight batteries. Cool. Alright. Okay. Yay, Fazbear head. I mean, Freddy's head. Oh, that's. Oh, what's this? Click and hold. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, hi. Who are you? Okay. Why don't you talk with me for the rest of the night? I need you. Right. Okay. So this is the new Chica. Okay, this looks even more creepier than the old one, I think. Is anyone else? Oh god, the music. Okay. No one's here. Oh, what's that sound? Oh god, New Freddy. Hi! Music. Oh wait, what? Where's... Oh! This is first night. That was stupid. No, that's really stupid. I didn't get past the first night. Let's try this again. Skip, skip. That was really scary though. So I gotta watch all the rooms in this stupid restaurant here. Okay, never. So I think I'll mute the call because I know what I'm doing. Oh, what's that sound? Nothing in here. Okay. How is this a fun place for kids to enjoy? It's full of stuff. See? It's like blood all around. Is that blood? I think so. Okay. I think we're doing good. Oh my god, what is that sound? Blue. Oh wait, where's the new Freddy? Ah, I thought I saw them. What's okay? There's the new Freddy. What's the sound? Okay, 1 a.m. Okay, we're doing great. Oh no, flashlight. Batteries going down. What was I was planning? So if you guys want to try out this game, go buy it in Steam or G2A. They both have these games. So my first encounter is the new chica, which is this guy. Oh wait, let me show you guys. Yeah. Oh god. Move the camera. Move, move. No, no, no one move. Oh wait, the music. Okay, okay, we're doing great. 2 a.m. 2 a.m. So no one's in the hallway. I think we're doing great. Okay, we're doing really great. Nope, no creepy stuff here. I keep on confused on what to press. Oh god, the music is starting. You know it's coming when the music starts. Oh, what's that sound? This is so intense. I'm gonna lower down the volume. Oh, oh, someone's in the vent. Oh, Bunny, how you doing? I should pay more attention. He's in the right one, I think. Yes. No. Oh, hi, new Freddy. Nice to meet you. Oh God. Whoa! Whoa! Damn! What are you doing? He's still there? Okay, 4 a.m. We're doing great. Oh no, 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 no! Let me press it! Oh God! The music box. Almost had me. Okay, he's still there. No one's here. Okay. Music box. What is he holding? Is he holding a flashlight too? I think so. Alright, we're doing great right now. 4 a.m. No monsters. Oh! He's right in front of me, and I'm not doing anything. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. Someone's in the vent. Can you please stop doing that? Oh, he's holding a bell, I think. Okay, we're 5 a.m. We're doing great. Come on, come on. Do this. I should wear this, I think. Oh, no. No, the music box. Almost got me there. No, my flashlight's going to die. This is not great. Okay, hands off. Because it's 5 a.m. I don't care what's coming. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. That stupid bunny is doing its job really well. Oh no, the music box. Oh yeah, you see that? First night, we conquered it. Right, second night. Okay, we're doing great. Doing great. Just great. So in total, there's like 8 animatronics, I think. Right, we're gonna play like a pro right now. We're gonna go. Hi. Yeah. Yeah, right. I just got killed in the first night, actually. Ugly. Don't insult them. They have feelings too. I think so. Wait, they're robots. They don't have feelings. Oh, this hat? Okay, okay, I get it. No, I don't see Foxy. Okay. Oh, what's that? Is that on top? Is that Foxy? It looks like Foxy. Okay. Oh yeah, music box. What up this? Oh, where's the Foxy go? Right. Oh, hi. Hi. No, no one's here. Oh, who's there? Oh, that's scary. That's so scary. Come on, come on, come on, go, 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 go. I hate you. Oh, he's still there. Oh God. Oh, he's gone. 2 a.m. Okay. Hi. I heard someone in the vent. Oh, a little kid. Are you lost? Are you left out in here? Did your parents pick you up? Oh, who's there? Oh God, it's Foxy. Oh God. Oh God. He said to flash more to him. Oh no, 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 please, 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 don't do this. It's only the first night. I mean second night. Oh, oh, you scared me first time, not this time, stupid chicken. Go away, or I'll send you to KFC. No, no hi for you. Oh, I think it's one. Oh, hi, hi, Freddy. New Freddy, younger Freddy. I mean, old Freddy. Oh, shut up. I don't care. Music box. Oh, oh, I knew I heard that voice. Oh, he's near. He's near. He's really near. He's in front of me. I don't. Oh my God. Music box. Click and hold half, more than half, and then down. No. 3 a.m. 3 more hours. 3 more hours of this stupid experience. Oh no, no, no. This stupid chicken is here. I think she's gone. No. Oh, Foxy. Hack tap. No, 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 no. No, Foxy. No, don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. We're friends, okay? Oh no. No. Oh no, he's gone. No, it's again. Come on. He's in my room. Anyway, the white guy. Oh God. Someone just laughed. Did you laugh? I don't think so. Oh my God, flashlight, one battery for him. No! This is not what I meant. Well, I think Five Nights at Freddy's 2 is even logic than the last time. Because what kind of a place ran out of power? Oh! Oh, no! Come on, come on. Get away, get away. I don't like you. Oh my God. Just, oh no. Am I running out of batteries? Hello? No, no, no. Oh, I'm sweating right now. I'm literally sweating right now. Hi. Come on. 5 a.m. We can do this though. We can freaking do this. No, no one's there. Oh, you're just in front of me, man. You wanna play the mask, man? I have a mask. I'm just like you. I'm your twin, bro. Oh no. No, the music box. Oh, 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 what was that? How did he enter my room? See that? That's how a pro plays. You go home, stupid new Freddy. I mean, this is your home, right? What's this? Is that? Oh, this is the old place. Oh god, no. No, 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 no. Oh, am I in Freddy's position? It's me. Third night. Third night. If we don't get past this, well, maybe it's in the next part. Part 2. I think we're doing great. I think we're doing great. See my no, 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 no phone. No phones. Okay, maybe a phone call. Phone call is great. Okay, this third night things might be really crazy. Yo, what's up? No. Oh, is that the white one? I don't think it's friendly though. Oh, you're stupid. I'm not afraid of your eyes. Oh God, what was this, man? Oh, mango on aircon. Okay, yeah, I understand. I understand you. The music starts now. 1 a.m. The last time it starts at 2 a.m. Oh God, more laughter. Come on, come on, Freddy. Oh no, no, that's not Freddy. It's Foxy. I wonder what happened if I don't wind up the music box though. Go away. Oh no, it's broken again. Oh, what is that? Is that the old Bonnie? What happened to his face? The new Bonnie just got a fight with him? Oh, he doesn't look good. Not at all. Not in my opinion, not at all. Yeah, wait up. Oh, where's he? Where is he? He's gone. I think it's behind me. Go away. I hate you. Hi, hi. No highs for you. I'm not your friend. Ding, 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 ding. What? Oh, he's he's right in front of me. God, no, no. Stop walking in the vents, okay? No, music box. More than half. Okay, there we go. Hi, Foxy. I'm not saying hi to you, boy. Oh God, that laughter. Hi. No. Oh, it's 2 a.m. and my flashlight is dying. No. What's that? What's that? Please don't tell me. Oh, there was. Oh. Since when there's an old chica in this one? Wait! I need training though. Stop staring at me, Freddy. Oh, and they're recording right now, but not a face cam. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe, and also leave a comment on how to defeat the whatever. What's the electronics name? I don't know, but yeah, I hope you guys leave some good feedbacks and also help me by subscribing and leaving a like. As always, stay cool, stay tuned. Bye bye. Subscribe.